Today, we are going to tour 1406 West Main Street, Unit 130 in Mesa, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Welcome to this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with a spacious loft. The open floor plan is filled with natural light, while the kitchen offers granite countertops, a pantry, a breakfast bar, and stainless steel appliances, making it great for daily living and entertaining. This home is located in a gated community. You'll also enjoy a 2-car garage, access to the community pool, and a location near Loop 101 and 202, just minutes from the Valley Metro rail line, and close to shopping, dining, and entertainment. All bedrooms are upstairs, and they come with spacious closets to fit all your belongings. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. Here we have a dedicated laundry room, fitted with a washer and dryer for added convenience. The primary suite provides a peaceful retreat with dual sinks, a walk-in shower, and a generous walk-in closet with built-in shelving. To experience this home in person, schedule your viewing today.